Today I was thinking changing this steering wheel. It's kind of old school, don't you think? Yeah, I have another one we will put on instead of this one. On these models you first have to take off this cover. It's quite easy, just grab it and pull like that. Yeah, and there you have the nut. It's 22 mil, but first make sure the front wheels are straight and the steering wheel is also parallel straight like this, and then remove the nut. Like that. Make sure to save these parts, and then it could be a little tricky to get this one off, but there's a special tool for it, but I don't think you will need that. Just wiggle it left and right, up and down, and like that. I think I have to give it a little tap with a hammer. Just put on the nut back there like this, and then pull the steering wheel at the same time, tap it a little. Yeah, now it's loose. Remove the nut, remove the steering wheel. Yeah, just like that. Okay, now let's see if we can find a new steering wheel in my storage. There's the hub, steering wheel hub. Yeah, there's the steering wheel. I lost the microphone in my car, so there was no sound here. Anyway, the steering wheel is made of suede, not very Land Roverish, is it? But I've had them before, and I love the feel of suede Alcantara steering wheels. The original is 415 millimeters, and the new one is 380. Yeah, a little bit smaller, but not too small on a Land Rover, I think. And the steering wheel hub that I got is from Louisi. It's very narrow, so to speak. I mean low, not building the wheel away from the controls. And the same thing with the steering wheel. It's really flat and not deep. The Defender doesn't have any horn button in the steering wheel, and the included one didn't fit too good. But I'll have to arrange something later. And here you can see the distance between the steering wheel and the controls. The result was quite good thanks to a narrow hub and a flat steering wheel. I really like the feel and size of this steering wheel. And thanks for watching, and please hit the like button. Yeah, bye.